What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be an update about the PGV, Prosperity Gem Ventures refunds. Okay, like I mentioned in my previous video about the PGV, okay, they will start issuing the refunds, and then no later than Saturday, the refunds will be completed. Okay, where's the message? If they have not deleted. Da, 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 right here. Where is it? Yeah, somewhere around the lines, they said, um, yeah, they said the refunds would be completed by Saturday. Okay, by Saturday. Today it's Sunday, the 4th of June, right? And like I said, Saturday will come, Saturday will go, and there will be new excuses. Okay, so the latest excuse is, let's have a read. We will start fulfilling payout requests tomorrow, Sunday, which is today. Okay, so this was from yesterday. Okay, I expected to start today, though looking through many accounts, I need to double check every single account. Keep in mind that we are talking about 10,000 wallets. Okay, so 10,000 wallets, which is a lot. So in a minute, we're gonna do some maths to see how long it will take this guy to verify every single account. Okay, because if 10,000 wallets submit the ticket, so that means 10,000 tickets. Okay, so let's call it 9,000 tickets. Okay, because some wallets use 2 3 wallets in the same account. Okay, so and they're going to check every single account to ensure payouts are going to the correct wallets. Yes, a few days ago I went to the PGV rant and I said to them, wait a minute, so if all you gotta do is log in, register, sign up, put your details, and enter your wallets. So how many knows who's the genuine investor and who's the scammer? Because most likely someone will try to take advantage of this opportunity. But it's gonna be in vain because there will be no refunds. But someone will go to the smart contract and just pick some random wallets, create some random email addresses, and submit tickets. Okay, so how many will know who's the real investor and who's the fake investor? That's a big question. So it doesn't make sense creating the DiamondBot Pro website to submit refunds when you cannot prove who's real and who's not, right? Whereas using the smart contract, sending the funds to the right wallets would be more appropriate, okay? So, yeah, that being said, he says, my system has already found a few duplicates, so that means 2 different accounts requesting the same refund from the same wallet, okay? So you just don't want to throw money around, even though there is no money to be thrown, okay? I don't condone scammers receiving someone's refunds, okay? And essentially, that's what he says right here. And if you submit the ticket, do not create a ticket asking when will my refunds be sent, or send my refunds now. If you do this, you're going to be sent back to the list. Okay, so you're going to be at the bottom of the list and it will delay your refund. Okay, and it says customer support reps are not free. What customer support? But anyway, payouts will start being fulfilled tomorrow, Sunday. The procedure will take 3 to 4 days for completion. I expect full completion by Wednesday. Well, we thought the completion will be by Saturday, right? So let's do some maths real quick. Okay, let's do some maths and let's see. Let's have an estimate how long will take money to check 9,000 wallets. Okay, so if money is checking each wallet individually, okay, so let's suppose that it takes him 1 minute to check one wallet, okay? So if you have 9,000 wallets, you have 9,000 minutes. Okay, so how many hours is 9,000? Okay, so if you divided this by 60 minutes, okay, so 9,000 minutes equals 150 hours. Okay, 150 hours. So if you want to know the days, okay, we divided this by 24, and so that means it will take money let's go 6 days and 8 hours. Yeah, 6 8 and 6 hours, 6 days and 6 hours to check all 9,000 wallets. Okay, so he's saying over here 3 to 4 days, but in reality, if he's actually gonna check one by one, he's gonna take him 6 days and 6 hours. If it takes him 1 minute per wallet, which is I am being I'm being naive over here, okay? Because most likely it's gonna take him a bit longer because you will have to do the due diligence to make sure that you are dealing with the right wallet, etc. Okay, but if it takes him a minute per wallet, it will take him 6 days and 6 hours. Okay, so again, guys, this is not going to happen, and refunds are not going to happen anyway. Okay, most of you are claiming that um, you you can see your balance on the dashboard, but that's like many people are calling monopoly money. Okay, monopoly money means fake money. That means that money is just fictitious. It does not exist, right? And many people are becoming aware that it ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen. Refunds ain't gonna happen. So this is definitely a rug $6 million scam. Wow, just a big wow. Okay, and yeah, guys, there is no doubt now. This is all for stalling. You will never refund. Okay, and yeah, like I've been saying from the beginning, it ain't gonna happen. The money is gone somewhere. Money doesn't have the money because if he had the money, he already been refunding people, but he's not gonna do it because he doesn't have the funds. Okay, so no refunds, no nothing. Nothing is going to happen. Okay, and again, when was it? Monday or Tuesday? No, in 3 days time. Wednesday will come or Thursday will come, and another announcement will be made, another delay, and so on. The party just goes on and on and on. Money just dragging it out. Okay, so that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap it. Lovely, the rebounding to rug, very fitting for the montage. These guys are crazy. Oh yeah, but yeah, guys, that's the update. That's the update about money. Has anyone received any penny yet? Broke. Anyway, I'm out. Peace.